Tonight, possible allergic reactions to the vaccine on day one in the United Kingdom. 2 people had allergic reactions in the UK, and now British health officials are sending out a warning for those with a history of adverse reactions.
Health reporter Haley Hernandez joining us live in the Texas Medical Center this evening. And Haley, a lot of people looking for answers, especially with vaccine approval in the U.S. potentially a day or if not days away at this point.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, guys. So the 2 people, though, who did experience these adverse reactions, I will tell you that the UK regulators say that they are doing well, but now there's a warning for those who have a history of severe allergic reactions. UK regulators cautioning anyone who has a significant allergic reaction to a vaccine, medicine, food, or carries an EpiPen that the vaccine may not be right in these rare cases. This comes as the vaccine is one step closer to approval in the U.S. The FDA is scheduled to meet tomorrow to discuss emergency use authorization. Locally, Dr. James McDavid with Baylor. UK regulators cautioning anyone who has a significant allergic reaction to a vaccine, medicine, food, or carries an EpiPen that the vaccine may not be right in these rare cases. This comes as the vaccine is one step closer to approval in the U.S. The FDA is scheduled to meet tomorrow to discuss emergency use authorization. Locally, Dr. James McDavid with Baylor College of Medicine says most Americans should not be concerned.
Well, there are people that have had true allergic reactions to vaccines in the past. Those are extraordinarily rare.
Plus, it has not yet been determined if these 2 reactions were linked to the vaccine. But since people with severe allergies were excluded from clinical trials, Dr. James McCarthy says it's worth talking to your doctor about. And on the eve of the FDA's meeting, doctors still agree on this.
We think that the data that was reviewed by the National Health Service in the UK and the data reviewed by the FDA overwhelmingly says this is a very safe and effective vaccine, and I don't anticipate it will alter or delay their guidance at all.
This is looking like a real triumph, and we should all pause and celebrate that. I think it is just cause for celebration.
So another interesting fact is the rate of these reactions in clinical trials was the same for people who received the vaccine as it was for people who received a placebo. So you might be asking yourself, how does that happen? Well, Dr. McCarthy says that you are still injected with a substance when they give you a placebo, a foreign substance. So at any point, your body could react even just to that kind of foreign substance. That's why he says it's important if you have a history of severe allergies to consult with your doctor. It might just mean that you have to be monitored in a doctor's office when you get the coronavirus vaccine, but that would be for you and your doctor to determine. For now, I'm reporting live from the Texas Medical Center. I'm Haley Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Haley, thank you.